So, hello everyone, let's solve the Mext exam 2009 question 1.1, okay? Question 1.1. Now, this type of question is, uh, they usually take it, if it would be a hard one, like with many items, it would be question 3, and they really like centripetal force with centripetal force with energy and circular motion. Okay, so they like this type of question. So number one, let's understand what's happening. Okay, so we had kinetic energy. Part of it is going to transform into potential energy for it to go up, but we will still have some speed over here, which I'm going to call it x. Okay, now x for the speed over here. Okay, now what he wants from us is the normal force acting on the ball over here. Okay, so how do we find it? And first of all, does it make any sense that there is a normal force acting over there? Hmm? Does it make any sense? Well, over here it does. Why? Because for the ball to continue making a loop, there is a force acting on it to pull it to the center so that it keep going over there, right? And what forces act on the ball in this direction over here? There is its weight mg, and there is the normal force. Now notice that the mg, there is no component for the center, so it's not doing any force over there, but all the normal force is the centripetal force. So what I'm trying to tell you is that he wants the centripetal force, which we know is, so the F centripetal force is equal to mx squared divided by r, and we know that the centripetal force is equal to the normal force that he wants. Now what you need to notice is that this part over here, if the ball was over here, the normal force will be like this, acting toward the center, and the weight will be over here. In this part, the normal force is not equal to the centripetal force. Why? Because there is a component of the weight that acts in here. Okay, so be careful. If the ball, it's just in this case over here, when the ball is here or here. Okay, so I'm going just to say these things in Portuguese very fast for the viewers. So, então, gente, aqui temos o que é a física que está acontecendo. Energia cinética se transforma em energia potencial. Por quê? O que você tinha é velocidade. Aqui você vai ganhar altura, né? Então você vai ter energia potencial. Não se ganha energia e você continua tendo uma velocidade x. Então você tem uma velocidade, tinha velocidade, né? mv ao quadrado sobre 2, que tem que ser igual a mgr, conservation of energy over here, guys, ok? Mais mx ao quadrado sobre 2, ok? Essa fórmula aqui, this formula is just the formula for the centripetal force. This is for energy. Notice the 2 and the r, ok? So, então, o que que acontece? O que que ele quer da gente é a força normal. Repare que nessa posição da bola, a única força que aponta para o centro para permitir para que a bola complete, faça esse círculo, por entanto tendo força centrípeta nesse ponto aí, é a força normal. Agora, qual é a pegadinha que pode cair em outras questões? É se a bola estivesse em outra direção aqui. Se a bola estivesse aqui, você teria normal apontando para cá e o peso para cá, só que uma componente deste peso ela apontaria para o centro. Então você teria a normal mais uma componente do peso, não o peso inteiro, uma componente dele. Not all. If the ball was over here, it's not the whole weight. It's just a component of it equal to this. Okay. So this part over here, when the ball is here, is just like it's not the we can do this. We can do this example in another video. when the ball is here? What is the normal force? Okay, well, and try to do it by yourself. So what are we trying to do over here? We want the centripetal force, which is equal to the normal, because we want the normal force, and the only thing we're lacking is x, which we can find by the conservation of energy. Okay, so x squared is equal to v squared minus 2gr. Okay, so just isolate x squared over here. So x is equal to let it over. So the thing is, you cut the m's over here. This is conservation of energy, and you multiply by 2. Okay, now n is equal to the centripetal force, which is mx squared divided by r. But what is x squared? X squared is v squared minus 2gr divided by r. So the normal force is mv squared, this is v, okay, divided by r minus 2mg, okay, because the r will cut over here. Okay, so this is our answer. And that's it.